And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you have a comment, you have any suggestions, or what have you. But hey, I got a late minute phone call. They're supposed to be opening the beaches back up tomorrow in Galveston. Right now, they have them open from 6 to 9. And I just got word that they're going to have them open, that they've been open all day, actually. I had a few friends of mine go out and wade this morning. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to join them, but they pretty much killed it. But it is like 5 o'clock, and a buddy of mine said, hey, I'm going to go wade. They still got the beaches open. People are still out here. So I'm in the hustle mode to hurry up and get down there. Stay in the speed limit. But wish me luck. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I can catch a speck or two out there. Thanks for coming back. Alright, so just got here, just pulled up. Cody's landed a nice big one a few minutes ago. He says he's missing a fish about every cast, so we're gonna switch it up. Threw a spoon on it, he's smacking him with a spoon, so